Yo, what is up, boys? Today we are back with another video. It is your boy Nico and Q. We're going to be reviewing over bottom and top ticking. Now, I know all of you guys have been asking and wondering how you guys do it. I'm going to explain one of the models that I teach. Uh, Not the exact one I use because that one's a little too saucy, but I will go ahead and give you a really good model that you can use that I do tell people when I teach people. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so what this strategy is going to consist of, right? It's going to be, let's see, we're going to do strategy list, right? Number one, we're going to look for higher time frame rejection blocks, right? See, now when you're watching this video, I already expect you to know how to know what rejection blocks is and stuff like that, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and give you my Fibonacci levels as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and say our time frame. So let's say that would really consist of like 1 hour, 4 hour, right? Either or is fine. Two, we're gonna be looking for. Sorry, there's. Okay, two, we're going to be looking for is a not a liquidity sweep, but some sort of swing high, swing low on lower time frame, right? Anchor our fib levels to the swing high and swing low. And then fourthly, we're going to be looking for a PD array slash confluence inside the OTE. OTE is between 0.705 0.79. Okay, so now we have this. I'm going to show you an example of it. So let's say we have a higher time frame rejection block, right? So let's say 1 hour RB, right? This is our 1 hour rejection block. So we're forming our candles, right? This is what created the rejection block. And at a higher time frame, we have our swing high or our swing low, our swing high. Okay, we have these right here. And now let me go ahead and give you these levels before I do anything else. Go ahead and copy these levels. Take a second, pause the video, and do that for a second. Okay, hopefully you got that. So these are the levels that we're going to be using. Essentially, we have our rejection block here, right? So we're looking to take something down here, and we have our OTE. I'm just going to put, it's not an order block, I'm just putting that there. So that's our OTE. So now we're looking for something in that range to trade. Okay, get rid of that. And now we're going to be looking for, let's see, like a, dang, why is my line so dark? Looking for, and this too, a change in state delivery. We could be looking for fair value gap, right? You could also be looking for now an order block, right? Anything that is in this zone right here. Anything that is in this zone right here, I'll be looking to trade off. So like a change in state delivery would be fine. And you could put your stop losses at these lows, right below the confluences or at the swing low, then target the high. And essentially, boom, 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 right? That's essentially what we're looking for, right? And again, the RR, where you go break even, that all is up to you on experience and the more you back test it, right? Okay, now that we have that, let's try to find an example of, so I know there was an example yesterday. Okay, here you go. Let's see. Oh, 30. Yep, right here. 930 open. Crazy rejection block, right? Crazy rejection block. Oh, and again, also look for something in the CE of the rejection block. Again, it's just extra confluence. So we have our swing high, then we mark it to our swing low, right? So now we're looking in this zone. So we can get rid of this. And looks like these two line up. So I would look for something in here because it's in the CE. So CE stands for in the middle. So this is like our money zone, because we had, so yeah, I'm gonna explain why to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so our OTE, what I just explained, the middle of the OTE is right here, right? Our middle of the rejection block is right here. So I'm gonna take the middle of both so I can get a higher probability. So yeah, get rid of that. And now we're looking for a fair value gap, right? No fair value gap here. Go to the 3-minute. Let's see. Fair value gap right there. Let's see 1 minute. Fair value gap there too. I'm sure. Yep. Fair value gap, change in state of delivery, right? All of that. So if you take it initially off the fair value gap, I take it initially off the fair value gap, or the change in state of delivery, which is right there. Target that. Boom. Target. You can do this swing high. You can do this high. Ever high. So I probably would have gone with this high. I'm a little more comfortable. And you can target a 4RR, right? You could have gotten a nice little trade right there. You can go all the way to swing low. You would have caught that. Um, and you can target the middle of this fair value gap. I mean, it's however you want, but minimum like a 3RR, really. I mean, you can do, I mean, it's all up to you, really, right? So you can do that, but that's essentially what the strategy is going to consist of. Now, I hope that all of you guys were able to, learn this new model and be able to put it into your new trading, into your trading, right? Um, this is one of my models that I teach. I have a Discord with a bunch of members in there that trade as well. I also teach my own strategy that helps me get tick precise entries. When I mean by tick precise entries, I mean like something like this, right? Obviously, I didn't take this trade because I don't even know what kind of trade this would have been, but essentially that's what I'm doing. That's the strategy I teach. But this strategy right here this strategy right here is perfectly fine. I'm sure you can get like a decent high win rate with it. Again, know that if it doesn't work out the first couple times, or if it does, or like if you win a couple times and I lose a couple times, just know it's just a statistic. It's something that just comes with the market and stuff like that. So no biggie with that. But this is a good strategy. That's someone that a beginner could learn, someone that's already been in the trading space. But yeah, this is a friendly model to trade. But if you have any more questions, shoot me a DM on Discord or something like that, or comment something in YouTube. But yeah, that should be it. All right, I'll see y'all boys in the Discord. I'll see you guys later. Peace.